Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up automatic payments on Chase Bank. The first thing I want you to do is launch up the Chase app, and then I want you to scroll down and click here on Show Details. And here you'll see automatic payments is already on, but if it is off for you, all you need to do is come here and click on Manage. And then from here, just make sure you turn it on. You choose the pay amount, so it'll be a fixed amount by the way. Choose where it's being paid from, the payment date, things like that. And just go ahead and set those up. You can change these if you want as well. And then you just come here, tap on done. Make sure you toggle agree to the terms and service. And then you click here on update automatic payment. As you can see, auto pay will actually be on and it will be set up. Make sure you choose the account you want to make the automatic payments from and the payment date. So it's first of every month. And then once you're done, click here on update automatic payments. And then as you can see, it has now been saved. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.